Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be focusing on the yoga wheels and how you can work your yoga wheels into some of the difficult poses and help you to improve your flexibility levels and prevent injuries. Yeah, and the yoga wheels will also help you to relieve a lot of pains and aches, and there's no more hunching, once you put your back onto your yoga wheels, and at the same time you'll be able to reap the benefits of winding down and become calmer and go deep into the stretch. So let's get started. You can start off by working into a very simple side stretch and then come back. So lifting it up all the way towards the side. So lengthen through your spine and then moving your hips from the left to the right. And then you can also reach into the left by lowering down, and that gives you a tremendous stretch into the side of your waist. And then gently come back. Now pushing your wheels into your left, reaching your arms towards your right. So you're also balancing into just one side of the buttock, and that gives you a sense of balance. And then you're more aware that how you can just balance up the body and then gently relax. So next, a simple stretch by taking the shoulders down, working this a few times. I'm going to feel that there's a very nice release across your oblique muscles and into the opening of your hip flexor muscles, shoulders opening. You can also sit up here by rounding your back and reaching it up. And exhale by rounding your back and lifting it up. Alright, so now once you're done, you can also come down by lying down and just work into the nice opening into the yoga wheels from here. So see, I use my thumb to support my wheels as I gently raise my buttock up, and I want to just try to glue my buttock into the wheels as I drop my head down. Yes, and this is where you can rest. Is where you are, and you're very comfortable. You can just gently massage into the wheels by bending your legs, and then massage into the wheels by using your spine. Roll onto the wheels, lengthen through your arms, reaching it out. And once you're ready, you can come back into your sitting position. Last one is your head to come back. Yep. And then you can also use your yoga wheels to stretch. Go into your side stretch, lengthening it out into one side of the body and gently come back. Change it, reaching it out into the other side. Okay, check. If your buttock is too high, that's no good. Okay, so now I'm going to tuck my toes in here. Actually, I'm going to lift up my knees, lifting it up, and then when I come down, rest the knees down. Okay, so we're going to work this 10 times. So this is enough to work and warm up your core and your hips and the legs. Alright, so once you're ready, set up now. In here, exhale, tuck your right knees up and pull your knees towards your face. Lift your buttock up. Okay, and then gently move it away. Rest down. Okay, once you're ready, let's go. 9. Inhale away, exhale 8, and down, 7, down, 6, down. You're not bringing your knees to your face. Yes, and 4 more to go. Your wheels might roll away. Feel free to stop by and then just adjust it back. And 2, and away. Make sure the knees drop down to the floor. And 1, and away. Very good. And then gently come back. Good job. So switch your yoga wheels to the other side. Set up the position again by coming down into all 4 first. Start by resting. Let your neck follow your spine. And down. And 3. And down. And 2. And down. Last one. Very nice. And gently come back. Okay, very good. Now bring the yoga wheels to the front. We're going to push the wheels away for a shoulders release in here. Exhale, push it away And then just go down into your child pose. Horses into your chest. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it up slowly. Okay, see my head is the last one to come down. See my legs straighten up. Okay, then I shift my hands to the back. Tuck my fingers. My head is on the floor. Then I bend my legs. Okay, so this is very safe. Now next, you need to get the shoulders and the back of the head. This top of the head, huh? You need to get the shoulders and the back of the head down. So you need to roll until, see that I turn my palms inward ready. So this is backward, like you're doing a back bend. Then I shift my palms backward so that I can have a better control of having my head and my shoulders down. Now at this point in time, it's quite extreme on the pelvic tilt already, yeah? So sometimes you need to tiptoe in order to have your hips up. So you can hold on to the wheels, so see the arms on the 90-degree ankle. So you see this movement is like a half shoulder stance already, right? Now, check leaves, your head, your shoulders, your elbows are on the floor before you can leave your right leg and your left leg up. Okay, and then straighten up your legs. Bring your feet to feet. Okay, up. So this is set number 1. Set A. Set B. Set C. Your set C, your hips must come down a little bit, huh? Okay, and then set D and come back. Okay, now once you finish, now this is the most crucial one to come out. Okay, so same thing. Reach your toe, at least your toes must come down to the floor. Hug your palms just like, you are pushing it up to the back of the head first. Come back to where it is, okay? And then gently straighten up. Head is the last one. Roll, roll, roll. Come back. Head is up. So the elbow is sticking up. So I walk, walk, walk. Chest down. You see the elbow is stick out. So the elbow is not here. Okay, because when the elbow is here, it's too crunchy onto your neck area. So I come forward. See my chest? Elbow is sticking up. Okay, now at least the inner thigh squeeze into the wheel. So what I meant is, if you find you don't want to lift out one leg, you can lift out one leg at a time. Yeah? And if you find that you are able to lift your legs off, you see where is my stomach? My belly button is still on the wheel. Okay? And then come back. But some of you can only do this. And then the quads muscles is not coming up. So we need this quads muscles to lift up. Okay, finish. Come back. Alright?